Hello students, good morning, and today we are going to discuss our revision exercise. The first question is write the number names. We have already learned about this, how to write the number names. First one is 7203. Here 3 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place, 2 is at hundreds place, and 7 is at thousands place. So we will write it as 7203. B and C you have to do in homework and you have to write it in textbook. Question number 2. Write the numbers 4108. Here 4 is at thousands place, so we will write 4 at thousands place. 1 is at hundreds place, so we write 1 is at hundreds place. And 8 is at ones place, so we write 8 at ones place, and nothing is there at tens place, so we write 0 at tens place. So our number will become 4108, which is 4108. B and C you have to do it homework. Question number C. Write the expanded form, and the first question is 2519. Here we already know that whenever we want to write the expanded form, we write like this. Here 2 is at thousands place, so we write 2000, plus 5 is at hundreds place, so we write 5000, plus 1 is at tens place, so we write 10, plus 9 is at ones place, so we write 9. So the expanded form of 2519 is 2000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 9. B and C you have to do in homework. Question number 4. Write the place value of, and the first one is 5 in 7529. Here 5 is at hundreds place, so the place value of 5 is 500. Second question, 2 in 2836. We can see that 2 is at thousands place, so the place value of 2 is 2000. C and D do in homework. Question number 5. Write the greater than or less than in the blanks. To compare the numbers, we already know that first we have to count the number of digits. If the number of digits are more, the number is greater. So by counting the number of digits in first question, we can see that 1906 has 4 digits and 906 has 3 digits. So without any doubt, 1906 is greater than 906. Second question, which follows the second rule. If the number of digits are same, compare the digits from the leftmost place. And by comparing, we can see that 7 is on the leftmost place in both the numbers. So we compare the second left digits. In first number 2 is there, and in second number 8 is there. We know that 2 is less than 8, so 7218 is less than 7821. C and D write down in your notebook. Now the next question number 6. Build the smallest and the greatest 4-digit numbers using the digits 7, 0, 2, 4 only once. We already know that for the smallest number, write down the digits in ascending order, and for the greatest number, write down the digits in descending order. And if 0 is there, so for the ascending order, change the place of 0 and the number after 0. Here for smallest number, we write 2 on the leftmost place instead of 3. Why we don't write 0 as the leftmost place? Find the answer. And here the smallest number is 2047. For the greatest number, we write the digits in descending order, and by writing them, we have 7420, which is the greatest number. Question number 7. Write 4 even numbers between 201 and 209. We know that to write the even numbers or odd numbers in between the given numbers, first we have to find the first even or odd number. Here in 7th question, we have to find the even numbers, so we find the first even number after 201. So after 201, the first even number is 202. So the first even number will become 202. By adding plus 2, we get the second even number after 202, which is, you have to write, and by adding 2 in that number, we get 206, which is the third even number after 201. And the fourth even number, we can find it by adding 2 in 206. You have to write it by yourself. So the 4 even number between 201 and 209 are 202 blank, 206 blank. You have to fill these blanks. And the last question is, write 4 odd numbers between 550 and 558. We already know that to find the odd number, we have to find the odd number after 550. And we can see after 550, the next number is 551, which is the odd number. So our first odd number is 551. By adding 2 in this number, we get 553, which is our next odd number. By adding 2 again in this 553, we get our third odd number. And again by adding 2 in this number, we get 557, which is our fourth odd number. Here you have to fill the blank. And here the end of this video lecture. Write down all the questions in your notebook or in your textbook, and if you have any doubt, ask us. Here the answer key is given. Refer this answer key. Thank you. Have a nice day.